Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, the 4th of July celebrations are over with and I want to change out the porch decor, but before I do that I want to go through all my storage bins to see what I have and see what I can donate so I can make room for new items. So let's get started. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you'll like and subscribe if you like today's video by hitting the bell icon. It's free and you'll help boost my channel so my videos will reach more people. If you're a returning friend, thank you for watching again, and I hope you'll leave a comment. I love hearing from everyone. Tom and I had a great 4th of July. We grilled out and enjoyed the fireworks at Lowe's. The fireworks were great, but they started before it was dark, which diminished some of the wow factor. I'd love to hear from you and how you and your family celebrated the 4th, so please leave me a comment. I'll be using a lot of my decor from last summer to save time and money, but I did stop by Hobby Lobby, TJ Maxx, and HomeGoods to pick up a few items to extend the beach look. The chair cushions are starting to fade and get a little bit dingy, but I always try to get at least 2 years out of the bigger items because everything is so expensive. I can thrift throw pillows, but you can rarely find 4 chair cushions in good condition when you're thrifting. These are still intact and functional, so they're staying for this summer. I just love this packing material that Tom gave me. You can cut it in strips to layer between the decor to help prevent breakage and items from getting smashed together, which causes wrinkles in the fabric. Since using this packing material, the items are always nice and crisp and ready to put out when you remove them from the box. One of my sweet coworkers so generously shared her late mother's shell collection because she knew how much I loved the beach and knew that I would display them with love and enjoy the shells as much as her mom did. I thought that was the kindest thing ever because the real seashells and coral are so super expensive even in thrift and antique stores. Tom's in the process of making free planter boxes for the front steps. I'll be sharing that video in the future. I can't wait to get out and plant some more flowers in the front yard. I think I'm turning into a real gardener. We already harvested a cucumber and a few of the pear tomatoes that I planted in the spring. I had a larger tomato, but my squirrel friend ate it and then left the evidence on the fence post to show me how much he enjoyed it. I'm glad he enjoyed it because we didn't. I see gardening cages in our future. bought this in Gulf Shores, and I just think it's adorable with the mermaid and the little seashell. Our former custodian at work, Mr. Bob, made this beautiful seashell wreath for me, and I love it. But I end up changing it out with the larger one that he also made that I have hanging on my office door at work. Because this one is a little small for the front door, they're almost identical except in size, and I love them both. My tubs of decorations. Got fall here, more fall, even more fall, and my winter decor, and my 4th of July stuff inside will go in this tub. In my spring tub. It got too hot, so I'm going to sort through them as I change them out for the seasons because it's like 95 degrees out here with 100% humidity. So let's get the boxes labeled. Let's get the lids back on so we can put them in the shed before I have a heat stroke. And here's how the porch turned out for summer. I replaced the smaller wreath that I had with the larger one. And it's got seashells and the blue and greens and the flowers and the little beads. I put out the mat that I bought at the Dollar General for $5 on top of my other rug. And I had a collection of seashells that a friend from work gave me. And I put that there. And I just added one of the pillows that I had from last summer. They're starting to look a little faded, so I'll try to pick up some new ones when we go on vacation this year. And here's my little seahorse. And I purchased this directional sign from Hobby Lobby and added it. And I apologize for the noise, but that's the South in the summer. And here are the beads and the little coral that I bought at the Dollar General. And I bought these stars. I think I got those at TJ Maxx, but I'm not for sure. And then I found this plant in an antique store and I replaced it. I added another colorful pillow to this chair. And we used the light green cushions for these chairs, and I left the other smaller cushions that I had. I left those out. And here's my coral that I also got from my coworker, and along with these larger shells. And like I said, if I can't be at the beach, I can bring the beach home. And there's Big Joe. And Lola and I have been enjoying a lot of porch living at night. And I bought the little mermaid at Gulf Shores last summer. And of course my little anchor is out all year long. And I added another seahorse here that I already had, and it was in the living room, and I just moved it outside. And here's the swing. I kept the same colored pillow, but I purchased this blanket from TJ Maxx. And it's lightweight, just in case it does get cool at night. And if you're wondering what that big contraption is, it's my new rebounder. And I rebounded last night for the first time, and I'm really liking it. But I haven't had time to put it in the yard. I had to buy a cover for it. And then I went back to HomeGoods today, and I picked up this new rug and put it underneath. But that's what it looks like. And I found this sweet little table at Hobby Lobby, and it was on sale for $49, so I picked it up. And the flower that I had on the other small table, I added it in the bowl with some seashells that we picked up at Gulf Shores last summer. And this little turtle, he used to be in the dining room, and I moved him out here. And this came out of the living room, and so did my collection of seashells from Gulf Shores. This picture I bought at Hobby Lobby a few years ago, and it was in the dining room, and I moved it out here. And the other items all came from Gulf Shore except for the birds, and I bought those at Hobby Lobby. And so here's how everything turned out. Like I said, I reused a lot of stuff, and I'll be changing out the decor next summer, but I wanted to get one last summer out of what I already had and not spend a lot of money. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And it'll be dark here in a few minutes. And Lola and I'll probably come out and watch some television before it's time to go to bed and go to work. I hope you enjoyed going through all the decor with me and that you like the summer items that I put out. Until the next time, live life and find what makes you happy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.